India is the fastest growing major economy in the world, and the Asia-Pacific region as a whole is continuing to have a strong growth outlook. It's a time of great opportunity for Perkins, a global brand with a rich heritage and experience of serving customers around the world. With significant investments in facilities and an end-to-end solutions for customers in India, from pre-design to ongoing service and maintenance, Perkins is committed to serve customers in India with world-class products. Our $150 million facility in Aurangabad opened in 2015 with state-of-the-art technology and innovative processes to manufacture and supply the complete 4000 series engine range. Our other facility in Hosur in southern India focuses on the manufacture of our medium-sized 1100 and 2000 series engines and is ideally positioned 40 kilometres from the city of Bangalore with good access to the port of Chennai. As part of the Caterpillar enterprise, all Perkins engines are produced using the Caterpillar Production System, CPS. This ensures every engine meets the same rigorous process and quality standards wherever we are in the world. Our facilities in India are no exception. All employees have a technical education and undergo an extensive training program before they start work on the production line, which has helped us build a highly skilled workforce.